Etabus Enra and the bank is Equity Savings and Loans Company Limited. Bank, it is facing collapse. I say the bank is somehow collapsing. Ama Enra no. About 1,000+ depositors. Omonumsika Akugu Bank Honomono. Birinano were found stranded on the street. Ama Ebimo Ediabufu any libre Abeka Omonsa. Edeba de Kwana Ekoso. Equity Savings and Loans Company Limited. Deadina Ekoso. Customers in Abesho experience. Maybe I'm watching here. No actually wondering Edia Mame. Ewa comment section. I penya broke media. Best was any demo. Other like video that about subscribe button. Somebody click notification icon. Latest update. Number channel wondering that Mame. Ewa comment section. Obaswa. Not sure for any biashe. 8 months from Kwesi kakra. Now we man ko date in time one. Equity Savings and Loans Company Limited. Eba Ghana Hanamo. Any baby any abedru regarding Enra collapse na course na banks will be now many branches. Ya closing down any other day. And it was in July 2016. And it was Uncle Fukobi, Uncle PM, our Bank of Ghana, I swear, yeah. And almost business, best almost start our Ghana had almost data, any other, Uncle Bank of Ghana, and him, Mahama time. What I say, Mahama time 2016, July, and I say, Uncle Fukobi, Eddie, almost data, no more fast, my dad, Uncle Bank of Ghana, and him, and the finance ministry, no, almost to news, almost per se, finance ministry, together with the Bank of Ghana, MO permit, license, now almost be operating as Savings and Loans Company Limited in Ghana here. As at that time, Nepal Omukaho, na Emubako, and Mr. Samuel Kwaku Menu. And I said, Mr. Samuel Owusu Menu. What I said, Mr. Samuel Owusu Menu. And Isaac Kwaku Ata. Now, Samuel Owusu Menu, a board chairman. And Mr. Isaac Kwaku Ata, as your managing director. Omudo move fast, document, Echo 2, Bank of Ghana and him, and Finance Ministry and him. So it was in July 2016. Anna. Yeah, my own license because that time no. Now before you can operate as a Savings and Loans Company Limited, no, you must have a minimum capital of 15 million Ghana cedis. No, say sikabosia or account more and sana open so be Savings and Loans Company Limited that you be my permit, you be my license no. It should be 15 million Ghana cedis and above. By that time, now almost that's can be in July 2016, yeah, the license Emma almost say, oh, they can operate. And it almost started operation. Omo head office na ewo Maseru Avenue, Accra East Legon. And almost started almost first branch. That is almost head office. And it's almost started. It's almost open 3 branch. 2016 no. Almost started with 3 branches. Ewo Ghana Hadamo. So it was in March 2017. And acquire almost auditing. And as I say, omo yaduma about 8 months to 9 months. Almost like a crossroad. What I say, almost like a crossroad. Capital of 15 million Ghana cedis, no. Next, akwa kodru 18.3 million Ghana cedis. In the year 2016, na omu yade lances omu start adwuma no. Na omu depositors were around 3,000 people. But as of 31st March 2017, omu auditing no. Na omu depositors movie equal 6,000+ people. Yes, nipa omu customers edru 6,000 people. Na omu capital so movie from 15 million Ghana cedis to 18.3 million Ghana. So it was in April 2017 and omuye official launch. All I say, I was Ghana that day, no. Na Deputy Finance Minister Mrs. Abno say asaro na owase ema omuye this launch come bibia fine. Ema omuye say omu ebie so many branches across the country. And don't be branches bebrebe I was Ghana. I say these are their branches. But just omu head office ewo Maseru Avenue, Accra East Legon. All I say, any main headquarters, omo number na eguasie. Aside that, no, omo branch, ewo Dome, opposite Dome Market, no, omo ewo honomo. Omo say branch, ewo Kaswa, opposite the main Kaswa Market. What I say, omo branch, ewo honomo. Any of so omo bi Accra New Town, Kokomlemle. As omo bi Kokomlemle, omo branch ewo Accra Central, so no, omo ewo bi Kwame Nkrumah Avenue, omo branch ewo honomo. As a connections, almost honomo. As a one branch, I will pass. One branch, I will Tema Community 1, and one branch, I will Ashaiman. So almost about 10 branches across the country. Ever since I almost launched here in April 2017, and it's Omaya, I trade almost branches, Nimomu Krabatenum, almost I trade Tremua. Let's say, oh, Bisa, why any yet owner? Who is the owner? Actually, almost I don't say the only share needs will be a owner, but the only update I can provide you and say Eric Isaac Kwaku Ata or no any managing director. And you know, and I can managing director so sometimes omuna adwan somehow say eye omo dia omo no owners but ye ntimi ka say on eye owner na anyo but what I can tell you say eye Mr. Isaac Kwaku Atta ene managing director ana omo bi no foforo no na board chairman eye Mr. Samuel Kwaku Menu ala Mr. Samuel Ozu Kwaku Menu ono ene board chairman but now no board chairman eye Efua Boahema Owusu ona currently no oye board chairman na say ohwemu a eri pe bega so na oye owner eye Mr. Isaac Kwaku Atta ono na somehow some way ka so oye owner because ono ye managing director na enra ana fofi antoata eba ni sinu say this Savings and Loans Company Limited am no comes me Equity Savings and Loans Company Limited no omo enya problem am because of that no many branches across the country you are shutting down. I'm a customers are stranded. Now, before say any incident ever happen, no, anybody I didn't care RZ concern say for some months their capitals are locked in the bank. Their capitals are locked in this Savings and Loans entity. Their capitals are locked over there. As Omuko Iska, bank, the company doesn't permit them to withdraw their capital and to withdraw their money. Says Omusika unlock it. Amana ebimu soon so let's Omusika unlock it our bank so no more. Omo check as Omuko Iska, Omo entimi ni a whole lot of complaint. And everybody on the internet, my papa come here and say na omo share omo experience how a bank no SA treaty omo pesca diga kwa omo nyese kom kwa bank no omo niska ho no omo nya abotre omo check na abounce a whole lot of issue. Meanwhile, na Bank of Ghana so any issue communicate via on the incidents that happened. So as far as a bank omo license another but all any man air cost so let me talk I say one the bank was having severe liquidity issues. How I say because so basically the honomo na obeyi na ontim enya meaning say the bank is having liquidity problem and again so the capital adequacy issue. Also right now no Bank of Ghana almost system no data more before you can be given a license to operate as a Savings and Loans Company Limited no you must have a minimum capital of 100 million Ghana cedis. Before you can be given a license to operate, you must have a minimum capital of 100 million Ghana cedis. And I say, oh yeah, already existing Savings and Loans Company Limited. Say, oh mudada, and also we need capital of 50 million. But our fair person ube bia, also we need minimum capital of 100 million. It is for a bank to have liquidity problem, meaning say they don't meet this minimum capital. Omo meet. They don't meet. What I say? You better say omo. Capital adequacy issues, and operational difficulties, and potential insolvency. The potential insolvency means that if bank sika same you can almost boom. Now if you omo there, and amount for sika so you can boom near free. Bank sika that one or bank sika omo and so I don't have friend insolvency. Though Bank of Ghana any for official statement MIA, but any more bet me higher possibility of any issue na happen say many branches egu Ghana hanom. This can be possible reasons. What I say, but Bank of Ghana any for issue MI. But no I say there's a glitch. Our glitch happen Many branches across the country they are shutting down. Ama customers need be we any same one omo eka.
Actually I'm say na yesevu yesika ewo ha sei. I'm so almost say yemfa yesika nkoto bange de to fia akromfo beba bewia enti yeso yegusu aye to susu ne kakra saa ye ton akakra ye benya bia na ye de abeto by all of a sudden ye ba na ye beji yesika almost say just aye kakra so ya twen saa afede bang no nipa na no mo ba ka ye wani da so say o sika ne de omo yemfa my bat so far as a workers no wo ho a mo ya adwuma no bia need as wo say yensa be kan sika but all of a sudden no see no am say omo aye fafula omo fuli yes mo ba so o yenko na ye kakra yensa be kan sika all of a sudden customers ayi workers no see do mo close kra a omo ma biem yesika ye de ya adwuma kakra ana aja o ma lock sika ni nyina yeso eni adwuma bia ye sika na yeso ye de ndan ho kakra yenim sa aban ne de ontimi mfa ye nyina as a workers government workers abosom so aye be de ye be yen sika but ono aso na yeso ye de ye de ndan so kakra ye ho kire ya ne yakoyi kakra ne ye de aso ba out of the sudden o ma close aye nsantimi nkan ye sika yeso ye hu workers no ye hu manager bia o kasa bia ye sika ne nsa be kan na sese but ye sra aban ne se yesre na we nya say bia mistake na yae but mpanimfo ne na omadi abro say ye de sika beto ho na all of a sudden ma close sika ko kam ne yesra ban ne say yesre na onye de onhu ye mobo na oni mpanimfo ne nkasa na omfa ye sika na maye na yeso yentimi fa nya adwuma ne yeso yensan koya no because ye ni adwuma bia ye sika na na ye de den so kakra ti de mitima kan
wankasa ahena ultimate save ana situation we see affect us
oh na me save almost be say me find say 40,000 but as me so me businessman na me yenti normal buy na me ko yibi na me de to into hwa ka almost 11,000 na wo ho ti se sia no de sika mo lock ni 11,000 per chan
situation will affect lockdown.
Oh, affect me in so many ways to the extent say phone adwuma na me ye to be o wa the phone no ba na me to a na kama ye fast no ma be yi na me de ato me de tuma na obi abeto say de be ya me so me kakra na ma sande kakra ko to say emergency e bia wo ho na bibi ato uni ba bia say won ko bank ho na nko yi sika na won ye dem fan solve problem all of a sudden mo local scan dey affect me pa ama see adwuma me ye no akofom kaminya sa sika na me di shema be ma business na yeden asan page ba business na senkia na yeden senke me so me ni adwuma bia ka sa adwuma no ho but aban ne boa na me sa ka sa sika na metimi di afa no ma ayeden afra me no ma no ama business na yeden apage se de be ya tambia me so me sa be koma no ema coming ko de me ma me fa koma ni bre nkofa obi ade ama yen kasa me yekromfo ana se onko join group bia ensese o join ba because of ahon kire ntino na wako join sa group no
o na me ni o munketa ho ye fan ba na me ma me ho fan ka kan me ko fie ti me ba se me be peska me ba ya o ma loke ya ba nkofo bebre ba ho sa obi aba o mo se no o chena obi aba o mo se skani o ba nza so be kan okre se bia bang na gu no o mo kan okre nti anu mu ana ye wa nti ye hwe se skani beba ya twan ya ska bia ma yakwa de bia mo to ne o beba ade chon beba o chon beba sa enu an ye wom
na wankasa no ahena ultimate save wo
oh me de mama on tin de big to make ba misika o edoso
ba o bob no then I'm catch
oh I'm for ba o bebre because omu sa man for rashi honana omu lucky to omu mabiom yes so anytime bia me say me dem go station anti anytime bia no me hwe se nka mehu omu ti me be hyewa na omukọ omu ti me be hyewa na omukọ afi de omu mabiom kura na obi nso because they want so to form so heading masa udu sika u save kakran kwa before one kasa no obenya sika kase e di ato no anya easy sa o na matimi e di agi sika di ato na ye hwehwema ye humu te se aye be ne den ana so bi kura pesika kura di aye na de kura na obeka onya sika no wen
GN Bank answer this issue ewo connection because this same issue and the Demon of Ghana governor Dr. Ernest Addison agent so revoking the license of Paa Kwesi Nduom, the GN Savings Loans Ltd. Revoking and I said, are we going to experience something like that? Sir, because of this issue, you be revoking the license of Equity Savings Loans Ltd. And I said they on this issue, the Bank of Ghana Chase almost carry out investigation into this issue. Now, Paa Kwesi Nduom say Abekasa, prior to on the bank license, the man no, we earning some more. Okay, the way out, we earning come out abedi.
There's something wonderful about the brand Group Nduom, GN.
Your Excellence.
Everywhere in the world. So we are retaining GN. That's who we are. We haven't done a wrong for us to say we are running away from our name, from our brand. It's a good brand. You go to the south side of Chicago today, you will see GN Bank. We restructured a bank there, and it's working. It's working well. So we even know how to restructure an organization. There are some other places where we went and we changed the name to something else. As soon as they see me, they say, the GN man has come. So why? We can't run away from ourselves. So GN, it will be there. And GN will do well. It's a wonderful brand, a global brand. In terms of how soon the World Cup has come, to disrupt activities, but it also gives us opportunity to carry on with some of the works that we need to do. So if nothing comes in our way after the World Cup, Elmina will be online. And then for your last question, no, we're not going to do all of them simultaneously. Remember, I've said we'll do things step by step, okay, to make sure that indeed whatever that we're doing, as we go along, we learn from our mistakes. What works, also we repeat them, and so on and so forth. So it will not be a simultaneous restarting of all of the branches.
I mean the first 10 that you mentioned.
The first 10. Yeah. Well, we are going to see how it goes. It all depends on the preparation. But definitely, I believe that by the time the World Cup is over, the World Cup is around the middle of July. No, it starts then, but the end is the middle of July. So July probably is going to be a very good month.
Now, no, the Yankee Bank of Ghana Governor, but this is the news and update I have for you concerning Equity Savings Loans Company Ltd. So, got a honor would be decided. Means me decided my say ko use and I say Mosca Engos and a honor. The choice is in your hands. Chirawa Mame, ewa comments. I PENYAH Block Media. Accra.